What's up guys, it's Jacob here. Welcome to the official Visidea tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to integrate your Shopify website with Visidea. Open Add Website in the Visidea app, choose Shopify in the drop-down menu. Click the button Install App. Choose the store you want to install Visidea if you have more than one. In the Shopify App Store, click the Add App button. Log into your Shopify account. Open your Shopify Store admin. Shopify asks your permission to share website data with Visidea. Confirm by clicking on Install App. The first step is to choose your plan in the Plan tab. You can use the app for 14 days with a free trial, and you can unsubscribe at any time before the 14th day without paying anything. Confirm your payment method and click Approve. The second step is to register with Visidea if you haven't done it yet, with the link at point 2, or if you are already registered, click the link on point 3. Choose the category of your products and click Connect. When the confirmation appears, you can return to your Shopify store and continue the procedure. Now you have to copy the public token by clicking on the Copy button and going to the App Embed settings. You must enable the Visidea app and paste the token in the corresponding fields. Click Save on the top right corner to save the changes. And that's it. In a couple of hours, the recommendations will be displayed on your website. You can configure where and what recommendations you want to display, but this topic is covered in another video. Thanks for watching.